Let's talk about DeepSeek-OCR, and a surprisingly clever idea behind it called optical context compression. It's an open model that reads text from images, but the bigger story is how it shrinks long documents into a tiny number of tokens. In this video we'll cover what OCR is, the token problem that makes long context expensive, the core trick of turning text into a picture, how the model is built, the compression numbers, real uses, and how you might try it. First, the basics. OCR stands for optical character recognition. It's the technology that looks at an image of text, a scanned page, a photo of a receipt, a screenshot, and turns those pixels back into editable, searchable text. We've had OCR for decades. What's new is doing it with a modern vision language model that understands layout, tables, and even charts, not just isolated letters. Now the problem DeepSeek-OCR is really attacking. Large language models read text as tokens, small chunks of words. A long document can be tens of thousands of tokens, and cost and memory grow fast as that number rises. Feeding a model a 100-page report is slow and expensive. So the question becomes, can we represent all that text using far fewer tokens, without throwing the information away? Here is the counterintuitive core idea: a picture of text can be cheaper than the text itself. Instead of feeding the words in as thousands of text tokens, you render the page as an image and feed that image in as a small set of vision tokens. One image tile can carry a whole paragraph. The model then reads the text back out of the picture. They call this context's optical compression. Why does that save so much? When a model sees an image, it doesn't process every pixel one by one. A vision encoder squeezes the image into a compact grid of vision tokens, maybe 100 of them for a full page. That same page written out as plain text might be 1,000 tokens or more. So the image version can use roughly 10 times fewer tokens to hold the same content. Let's look at how DeepSeek-OCR is built, in plain terms. It has two parts. The first is the deep encoder, the eyes. It combines two known vision models and adds a compressor that cuts the token count 16 times before anything reaches the language model. The second part is a small mixture of experts decoder, the brain, which reads those few vision tokens and writes out clean text, tables, and markdown. Now the headline numbers, because they're the fun part. At about 10 times compression, meaning 10 text tokens packed into one vision token, the model still reads the text back with around 97% accuracy. Push it to 20 times compression and accuracy drops to roughly 60%. So there's a sweet spot. Stay near 10x and you get big savings with almost no loss. Here's the idea that excites researchers most. Think about how human memory works: recent things are sharp, older things get fuzzy. Optical compression lets a model do the same. Keep recent context as crisp text, but render older, less important context as small, blurry images using very few tokens. The model remembers the gist without paying full price. It's a possible path to much longer memory for AI. Where is this actually useful today? Mass document processing is the obvious one, digitizing books, invoices, forms, and scientific papers at huge scale. On a single high-end GPU, DeepSeek-OCR can handle on the order of 200,000 pages a day. That makes it great for building training data, feeding documents into a retrieval system, or turning messy PDFs into clean, structured markdown. How does it compare to other options? Classic OCR tools like Tesseract are fast and free but struggle with complex layouts and give you raw text with no structure. Big general vision models are smart but expensive and token hungry. DeepSeek-OCR sits in a sweet spot: it's open, it's efficient because of the compression, and it outputs structured markdown, not just a wall of text. How would you try it? It's open source, so the weights are on Hugging Face and the code is on GitHub. In Python you load the model, pass it an image of a page along with a prompt like convert to markdown, and it returns the structured text. It runs with the popular transformers and VLLM libraries, so if you've used those before, you already know the workflow. Quick recap. DeepSeek-OCR reads text from images, but its real trick is optical context compression, turning text into a picture so a model can hold it in far fewer tokens, about 10 times fewer with almost no accuracy loss. It hints at a future where AI forgets gracefully, like we do, to remember more. If this was helpful, follow for more plain English Gen AI explainers.